You got the peanut gallery to come up here to give you moral support or make fun of you when you crash, whichever one it happens to be.
Well, I appreciate you guys.
Of course, you know they did post new club rules. And that said, when you crash, you're not allowed to laugh or make funny comments for at least 30 seconds.
Oh, there we go. You know better than that.
Where do you want it?
Yeah, that's about good. Perfect. All right, guys.
All right, good luck. First time on the sticks this whole year?
No, but I haven't been out here for a couple of months lately. So let's see.
Yeah, I thought he was out here a few weeks ago on a Saturday afternoon. I saw that airplane. I walked up and I was looking at it. I thought, that's not Doug's. It's not shot up.
It doesn't look like a piece of... All right, let's see. I gotta have some right rudder. I think this one I need almost full right rudder. It's been so long.
Sure, well, I'll come back to you 30 seconds after your crash.
Yeah, all right. That's the way it works for me.
Yeah. You're kind of over the road.
Yeah, I was trying to find the gear switch. You're above the sun.
Brr.
You got it. Yeah, man. I am rusty.
Damn, you got some good eyes, man. You're way out there.
I know.
That's a big airplane, too.
All I saw was a little dot. But my depth perception has been hinky.
Go.
Now I see it.
Well, I've been... I am really rusty, guys.
You need to come out more often. Dave and I don't have anybody to aggravate.
Yeah, nobody to pick on.
Yeah.
We get tired of picking on each other.
Yeah.
Well, we're to the point now we have to start sabotaging each other's planes. Well, it's warming up nicely out here.
Yeah, I brought my jacket. I thought, well, I better bring it because it might get cold.
Yeah, it's me too. All them blood thinners I take, I usually stay cold. Look at you trying to play that sad poor me song. Oh, I ain't flown in a long time. Look at you. You're flying like a boss already.
See if I can land.
All right.
Yeah.
Not on this pass. Yeah. That sounds good in there too. For an electric, you know.
Yeah.
It's got a nice little wind prop in the wind noise.
Get some wind out there. I gotta put some down elevator in this. Just give me a second here, guys. That's the thing about this airplane. It's so sensitive to the elevator trim. And it changes every time when I fly it.
That may be slopping some of your control linkages. Typically, you don't have that.
It's been this way ever since.
So you use regular Z bins, or does it use ball links?
It's got all the ball.
Well, yeah, it's unusual. Ball links.
Yeah.
There you go. Safe and sound back on Mama Earth.
I don't know if I'm ready to maiden that. So.
Hey, when you